Mabuhay! Welcome to another episode of So-Called Filipina. Today we are going to make a chicken quesadilla. So, here are our ingredients. We need 1 rotisserie chicken breast. We can also use 1 boneless skinless chicken breast, a splash of water, oil, diced yellow onion, diced red bell pepper, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, a teaspoon of honey, and a teaspoon of hot sauce. We will also need 4 8-inch burrito-sized flour tortillas, melted butter, and 2 cups of shredded Mexican cheese. We can also use a Colby Jack cheese. And for the seasonings, we will need 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, paprika, dried oregano, and cayenne pepper. So, let's get cooking! Okay, so first, we will heat the pan, and once it's heated, we will add our oil. Now it's time to put our chicken breast. And add half of our seasoning and mix. And now that our chicken is hot, we can put it in the bowl and set it aside. And we can add our onion and bell pepper and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now that the onion is soft, we can add our garlic, cilantro, we'll also add our hot sauce, sriracha, honey, lime juice, and the rest of the seasoning. And we'll cook it for another 2 minutes. That smells wonderful. Okay, so before we cook our quesadilla, we have to prepare our flour tortilla, the chicken filling, cheese, and butter. Now that our pan is hot, we will brush it with butter. Next, we will put our tortilla. Put a little bit of cheese on the half side of tortilla. Let's put our chicken filling. you go. Okay, just on the half side. Add more cheese on it. It depends how cheesy do you want your quesadilla. Next is we will fold it in half like a moon shape. There you go. And then press it down gently with a spatula. The next, we will flip it. There you go. Flip that until it turned golden brown. Okay, here you go. So now it's time to cut our quesadilla. It looks so good. So just cut this in half. Yes. There you go. Here you go. Our quesadilla is ready. Thank you again for subscribing to my channel. Mabuhay and salamat!